nation blogger baako pɛ baby a wo bia bɛkyia asudie so enkan about to share video share video mame na yenim komo kakra mun share video na yentwetwe komo kakra I just want to understand something because and who said the Shatawale court. Now I just want to know say what has he really done? Shatawale why then? Because I don't really understand. Honestly, no been chayi. Honestly, no been chayi. Because said no as see so oye wakoku nipa na so oye criminal bi. Said kono ase wodi boni bi ehu bi. I mean, I don't get it, to be honest. No man kono nyame anim nukre ase menti ase papa biom. Because yo hono osofo be hye nkom se Shatawale bewu on the 18th. Osofo no ko hye nkom no nukre nyame anim no. Na nka bibi besi a osofo na nka ese start won so. Osofo no fa no hudie a tese bibia ansi. Shatawale so die obi anim from the one say ono the attention you pay. Attention you pay. Na Shatawale beka say say obi eshutu no. Say police for ache no. Say wakoso hwan to the country. Omo say omo kohwehwe no ni ade. Eti kanye say oye Shatawale a. Sanka onye say otonwum e na oye normal person. Ena normal person bi ka say wowu a. Eti do you think say the ekuko su ike be koso sana? Because I don't understand. On I don't know who knows who are. Or a musician, and a musician so there. I think say Uko America cry. I think say omutimi e criticize no maybe say. Now or the album aba. Obi or the nyum beba. Obetima ka say wowu no oyi nyum apie. I mean there are so many ways omudi ye omo normal. Etimenti ase because say no me fi say ka ba na no there. Say obeko court cry na onku nipa. Ondi ewu bia. Yeah, money bill. Nanka on say court near person or bano or back court. Sebi be able to chrono crown. Still they are working freely in Ghana. Sebi amount for me abo chrono. Oma jiji ama wo bubu ama for semaji o musika. But those people are working freely in Ghana. So what you say? Amount for me so I can send bebre. What you say? Honorable Kennedy Japan. There was a time Oka say Mahama obema ya shi Mahama fi obeyese omu ina ne nanam ho enti se eba se ya chin watum for bed 3 days ni na bill cry ya man bill oti ase na ye police for atwetwa no ho hia na ye kwa I mean menti ase honestly menti ase because as I say no say ehunahuna ni epese ehunahuna ya Ghana o say den na ekoso we don't really understand honestly because the ekwe I think say ya china tumo I mean onye onku nipa enti ye betima money bill because menti crime ban na ye betimi nipa tum for 4 days now obedi the police station na ye de court na treating say criminal honestly Ghana police, I think you are doing it too much now. I think normally go too much now. Stop misleading the viewers. Abuaje Kofi, what do you mean I should stop misleading the viewers? I don't understand you. What are you trying to say? Has he Shatawale okumi pa na say ade? I don't get it. Mentias to be honest with you, because this is like I mean, AI too much. What you say? Because the course no de sabeka sametiase a nyame yanim nukuro ni mentiase enti me pese obi a oti normal se ebia obi ho a oma mentiase medical has also been arrested for pulling a gun some time ago. Yeah, and that's yeah, medical some time ago. And Shatawale Oye then I don't get it. Because he's been there for 3 days now. He's caused fear what's it fear and panics? Why? I mean what cause fear and panic. And so because of fear and panic, na say ese achi ni pakro no na yadin tum sa say even some moment jeli no mpo a why don't you Shatawale onye obi obedwane onye obi obekọ ba bia oti ase adanti ne yemma ne bail na yemma ne ma court no na emu ya chi na tum for 3 days without committing any fine wa cause of fear and panic. Politicians bebre omutimi cause of fear bebre omoye bebre sa omoye I mean, Honorable Kennedy Japan, what you ye no ma bebre wo ho. What you say? Is this? I mean, at least they should grant him a bail. What you say? At least that's so coffee. Because ya china tum fine. Onko baby ya, onyane onko baby ya. But I say, ye treating say or ye criminal. Yeah, treatment now as a say or a criminal as a nipa because said me who say police for etwitwa no hia ne sa no no as a obi a wodi ewu uti ase is honestly sa na as a mu just say huno sade na mu ye o sade yo I don't get it. Go and take him out. Emmanuel Afari. Yeah, for Jimmy free akwate. For Kwasia free ako. I mean, and too much. Oh, the main channel. I said, we are son and citizens, Now, so, I mean, now I said, Muma, you no masui. Yeah, nan ye hu no maso yi. Fine. Some feel say wa course bibia mo che no. And Shatawale oye okay. Abuaje, me number 2 of frame. So one frame am block you. Me be so be cheche me no mu. Abuaje Kofi. Me number 2 of frame says here. One frame am block you because me who say we useless. Frame, if you don't call me, I'm going to block you because you are being stupid here. You said it's a crime. Fine. I want to understand. Come and educate us. Abuaje, my number is 00447473818331. 00447473818331. If you don't call, I'll block your fucking line, okay? I don't need any idiot here. If you know better, come and educate us because a lot of people are confused about this thing, and we need education about whatever happened. Because for me, I think okay, most will cause fear and panic, but the occurrence about Shatawale tour in the first place, on the one cause fear and panic, and this is not the first time this thing has been happening. Osofu bia sorry a obehye Shatawale hu kom so obewu me hu ye na ya shutu Shatawale me hu ye na say this pastor came out and said it was all over social media that on the 18th Shatawale ye be shutu na wonewu ye be shutu Shatawale amanewu obi anka hwe nothing happened but Shatawale bia na no I mean, he's arrested. I actually took for 3 days. And it's to some of us, we don't understand. We don't really understand this. It seems I mean, it's getting too much. Why would they arrest somebody for 3 days because wakase wawu so no na di okaso no ye bebo ni tuo kunu nkra yankunu. I don't get it. Pastor no etike Shatawale so ameka se ye kunu a ka pastor kra ke anchi no. At least for by now no ese money bill. But the way I treat no. Na I mean Antiasie honestly. Antiasie nim. Antiasie nim.
Police custody and social. October so many that the person and to no India. The best sign every Shatawale about the team or report. The no go out. Or any family and some kind of one kind of designer. Any a brand power no so the so no and a dressing or share the entire shame any idea.
Ama me ba ebia mo amanya kwan anko court ho no na wan ko hunu de atro Shatawale enu ne shebre mo no na mo hwe no wo NGTV so obetumi aba NGTV so se woni fi a wo hwe NGTV na obi a no mabonte wo teka mo so a enu obetumi aba abehwe court dem ho ne yard mo ho di pa akogu ho de ekoso se na amaba ma de nyina obetumi aba Facebook live Angel 102.9 abra ama boy chiremu yi
ofa enti osha say the tie pepe ewa ha ba the day Shatawale any elipa emiansa e ka ne ho no e ba court no e na e twabu a bia shedi our angels need any angel Facebook live so no ba so do I the ball me you say am public say news enye no kre any president the ball any president the ball ni kwa do me na how plead not guilty omo ani atum say the oya omo ye no dia amra eno na omo lawyer Jerry Abenobo and so mu court ni so was court ni be yaka ya ma the client ni do now so idea as you said automatic for to justice Sando said Shatafien obie ni no Ghana obie ni no wi ase prosecution so chem omo dia omo hwehwe mu ewie nti o said ya fani enko ko na what treat mu na what you need to wa fine aba
Can you imagine the lawyer say your money bill because Shatta onye obi a oye ordinary person ewiase ina anim no yesi there be yedin ko yan fa no nkohyem na wotwe yaman na wotwe mu a oh come on oh Charlie Ghana for Charlie come on what chantro nti I mean ai asemo idi
November October was when they so evolution about the team court the Shatta
ama na wo hwe Shatta abra posifo no asososo no no ba hu sa aso too sure wode ne kodai ne kokomotie mienu anasa ne Shatta mienu aye too sure san no bi na wan hye ne danso atade kama pa sa too sure no asabia fina no anasa yemfa de symbol no ankasa wapaso kire sai minim so wakasa
Kasa kakre bi enese na okase na appointed na so no mu patia pa na odeka amodimu odemtimu odeka tumu enti no okache ne fans ni so obi anya abotre no Shatawale ni dia o pa o dey for life enti accident den dia o ko aba bibie ni wa obi a ebetimi aye no o se ga na ko se ono pa ni ati onko se na ochi mu se any onko assign aba indicata na okata de na one ne fans na se de na for body ne so na ko for free ni ade na no na one ne fans no e ka
102.9
ama atna court dem ho achepa enye na make dem person chense court oduma wa ya chepa ye hu bi pense se ye do obi akọ remand se wonko sem na wotwe baako na wotwe mienu anami ya sofo
amen block kwase awe
se wa so be kaya
foolish person
no na wa samba wo ye sure say wudru ho mo de wotete no shata na wotwe baako no obetwa mlaso anase bia e de no ko na akire U10 na wa sam akache so sam betrani fie
Ese me da se ene circuit court ne de ba circuit court na armande no enti se ne lawyer eta eni meni mi obetimi application dey for high court so for high court na high court man bill dia eni e kwan e wo mu ne mo me no ka se dey oka circuit court na remande no high court obetimi for high court afa for bill e wo so for na high court man bill no dia eni we dey ka se o se ye o to san so na me no ka se ya di pesa mo fe o to ko di mo fa ono no ko se nko ma nsem be nyina ba ye ofa na se me di o be di sonko mo frɛ me nka ne na munya me na ne court na me wo me ne o kata sisia ono so ya remande no ese onko police ko akache na what treat ensign emra and now the head said na foreign money bu afu a
enti eno na bibusa se enti kashatawale anko kase se ya ka osofo no ke anche no kashatawale anka sa no anya hwia ka sofo na se ono so ya remande no ke anche no enti we no na je se entwaye no honestly entwaye because of no ono na hye nkom no ka o hye sa nkom no se ye be shutu chachawale no ono na start ya cause panic and fear o sa sofo no ono na start ya cause sa panic and fear na mo ka no nti obeka sa asem no ene ye chi ni tumu a ka chatawale ka ono onko ye de ababo nten no honestly because they say ya chi chatawale de akohwehwe sofo no ache no and that means na agenda bi wo a ye pese ya chi chatawale na na asese menti ase because the pastor was the one who started this panic and fear that you are talking about, and he said it about 2 weeks or how many weeks ago, and he was walking freely until se chatawale onoko dia de oyeye no ene ya ba beche de okase ye be kunu kra no ya anya ne hwe no okase onu awu no ene ya che ne first ansa ne yakwa kwoche sofo no ene ya ka no ho asese sofo no ene chatawale na ekọ remand eba. Can you imagine? I mean, to me, it doesn't make sense, honestly. To me, it doesn't make sense at all. Because I bet you will be first, soften and can see a chain first. Why would they leave the soften for him to be working freely until such a Tawalibe committee and Sunday Aqua soften? It doesn't make sense, honestly. As you guys are just trying to punish him, more punish him. What you say? The Ghana police where they are what you say? I mean, more money bail. Shatawale onyo obi obedwane. So what you say? Onyo obi obeko baby ya. It is obeko quarter at least matching atum for causing that panic and fear. But and to obi cause of panic and fear, say ya didn't tum. Near the coroman up and down. I mean, yes, Anna, and change honestly, and change. To my little knowledge na make count. What you say? To my little knowledge, because the power started cause without panic and fear no. No, which he should be arrested. Koye China. Do you think there's a chatawale be pia ba bekase on so what you say? Because I mean hard journey. And then who you know, I mean I was really sad about the whole thing. You understand? Yeah, I was really sad about it because punishment ni too much. As a move here on the fine, but me feel say it me stop on in temo anke boy ka anko do see. And I said ebi chatawale. Why be briamaye? Te say the IGP why be briama o ma uye be bria fe na so uye be bria pa. And na udin u ba enche. But and na wo hwe be bia udin ko a uye adwuma. Na o chene bi. Na obi aba na opese olu oni ye fomo a saa na ye bet sori ye gina o say no IGP anase ye former that time no ye former IGP Mr. Dampare oba obe ye adwuma pa enti ye mpene ma mo mfa nani ntwitwufo ti Mr. IGP we de wadaroma ese ya mo hwe ti ye sremo Shatawale mo ma le bill free Shatawale sremo wadaroma. Because yesi bibi ankoka papa enye kerere sa sofo kohwini no wankɔhyɛ ne nkɔmfo no ka wankɔhyɛ ne nkɔmfo no ka Shatta Wale anya deɛ ɔyɛɛyɛ ti yɛsɛw Mr. IGP adaroma ni diem Shatta Wale ɔyɛ bia ma ɔman Ghana. Free Shatta Wale. Free Shatta Wale. Free no. On to the Juma pa oye. And I saw for no so I was young no. Said your Fanti brother can say me name de. Fanti brother say Shatta Wale ADRC at the stop ebeba normal air kokoso. Wo ho a obi si we be bodam we be si ni na eto ebitwa. Na say Shatta Wale abeda ne Messiah. Shatta Wale abeda ne Messiah. Obi si sa no one ho kwan. Because okoye na okaso obi wu a we dey dia ntwe kra ma police phone no be chenko. Ya ebe so mu ne de ko police station say so obi wu. You see, ena Najegezi o se Najegezi. Wo na opesa no mano. Wo na opesa no mano. Ena ma so wuji hudi. Some IGP said Najegezi yet one chi Najegezi a because wakasa too much on let me be force hope no hye confirm any ade the IGP wa ba yedie yenim say adwuma no wa start yedie Ghana fo nyina say all eyes on you obi e hwel say obi e hwel kra che na nado eni na wo so obi beje fion IGP one ye be hwel ene tuo no so a mo ka say atwetwe amanfo atwetwe no omo twene tete ndie ero nka ho fufuro na wo so di ho dwuma ba tete die ndie nka ho omo wa twene tete no na wonya mai dia wontimi bedi se dwuma no na se obi a wo no watwem kɔ ne dwuma no wa anye ni ya na se wa anya wo die na wa ba na wo ye no hwɛ so ya wo die etuo no mo wa twetete no mo na obechi o ma chi o mo sorry fufuro no obechi o ma chi o mo tete die ndie nka ho eno no akroma de ko endo ebusu nyame hye obi biara ye de ebo mpa ese Shatta Wale. I mean, we love him so much. He has done a lot for the industry. And then enye nkabo mu na enimu aka ese musicians yi mu nyina no mu page so ye kwa mu chocho mu ka mu be support mu nua on support no ba ka obi musician bi nya che na say the Shatta Wale tien ka se nko start bibi but mu nyina obi aka na no atum onu ado ni oman nim ye ni onu ado ye ni nkabo mu ye no ye ho mu benya ka chese asama to nua saa na also de to obi no obeka bia ma wo saa le wi aseti ese nifa ehuru banku na banku so ehuru nifa saa le wi aseti. But look at you guys, nobody is saying anything. Obi aka na no atum at least free Shatta Wale hashtag is enough, but nobody is doing it. Machi mo pages, nobody is doing anything. You see, any yahu nka na nchese abontinsufo emfankodi. Uhwe police fo mu do mo ho. Se amroba ku police ni ba ku a that week no be bia hyehyehye. Ade na musicians mo no mo ho. Obia hyehyɛ dem na yamode. Shatta Wale se ofi se bia normal bia okeka ne ade star no enna ma na du be bia wodu no. But at the end of the day, I don't make any say a bad person. No support mo. So person who ko soro a so nua ho ba asamo a wa ka bia ma. O say so obi ho china e ya na wa boa no na nipa nua ni nipa. Kama Mohammed femination blogger be da mu ida mo ase. Me say opa asase atododowa. Asase da ho. Aye ton amanfo atoto bia amanfo sisi da mo ho. Omo pepe so aba obi enya ne pepe side plan pepe se pie. Bibia e kama. Obi a wato bibia no bedi ho adanse a kiro oso bra na beje odie na oso start say obi bibi oso frɛ 00233 242181973 beda mu ina mase nyame enka obi biara ho nyame ma de panche yen medi e de Kamal Mohammed nation blogger. God bless you. Good night. Yeah, Captain Otunyo afa false prophecy ho. Captain, Shatawale ba Captain. Mama yam fanyum no enkwada. Good night.
I'm a vex man, you know. I'm still have to take it cool.
Rahimatu was stressed.
So me have to
Good night.